se tocó alguien, solo se me te quiero a ti. Quiero más que una casa, quizás hoy la memoria, sin el pasado, sin el momento, quizás
train that may not run frequently because it's a certain train. Oh, you know these people will be going there.
That's not what.
Mom said the train, there may not be regular trains.
Oh. Also, let's see. I think here you come out, you don't need to use your pass straight away. Hola. Hola.
Hola.
Is there someone who could speak to an information desk?
Okay.
Information someone could speak to? Is there somebody I could speak to? I want to go to Salud. I want to train. Train? Train, yeah?
Arriba.
Pues estuvimos
Stay in front of me.
parece que le estaba perdiendo.
Hey, excuse me. What's going on? You just push in front of me.
Pero no puedes dejar
Yes, I'm afraid you just push in
no
front of
cabes en este sitio.
Trying to. I'm just pushing someone like that.
Pero no cabes abajo, mira cuando sitio
You just
tiene.
push in front of me so they can shut up. What? No, they're not gonna know. Nobody knows here. They don't even give space. I'm waiting for you to enter. She just move, just push in there from there. Don't even know where this is.